Hello friends and welcome to Leo English Hub lecture number 29, and today we are going to discuss about your last exam. Yes, your last exam. Sometimes we friends get together and we discuss with each other that how did you do in last exam. So here you are going to discuss and practice about your last exam, and I'm going to give you some points on the screen. But before we move ahead and talk about it in depth, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that we get supported and you don't miss any update ever. So please subscribe our channel, and those who are new to our channel, I would like to request them to go to the playlist section of our channel and start learning from the very first lecture, so that you can learn in a step by step manner, and you can also get a stage where you can communicate effectively in English, and you can also learn English grammar very well in the easy way. So let's come back to our point, and today's topic is discuss about your last exam, and I am going to give you some points through which you can generate ideas on your own, and you can write n number of sentences on your own. You don't have to copy from somewhere else, or you don't need to ask somebody to make sentences or write at length. So here we have the points. You can note down these points in your notebooks as well, and if I talk about each point, you can talk about at present what you are studying or what you are doing at the moment, and then in last year or last semester, what exam did you give, school, college, or any other exam, anything, any exam it can be, and how did you prepare for the whole duration of a year or a semester or a month or a week. So try to include the duration as well. In the beginning, how did you do, then somebody must have advised you, how did you practice commands and instructions of parents and teachers, obviously. So did you follow them, and how did you effectively follow them, how they changed your way of learning and watching the things, how did you help each other in terms of the colleagues, the classmates or friends, how did you focus or concentrate. So all these points you can include, and don't forget to include the variety in terms of double verb formations, single verb formations after while, that we have learned it in our earlier lectures as well. And if you want, you can refer to our earlier lectures, and you must have made notes as well, so you can do whatever fits you. And I'm going to move here to the next screen, and the points are there on your screen. So discuss about your last exam and the points. How did you study? Good, accurate examples, try to give some examples as well, guidance of someone, like there was a mentor or something who provided you effective methods. So you can include all these points which can help you to generate ideas on your own. And it is really very important and vital over here, friends, that you make sentences on your own. Try to refer our lectures again and again, so that you don't need to seek others' helps as well. How did you do in various subjects or in a particular subject? Whatever you want to write, you can have your say, revise, rereading, how did you do that, how did you performed, right? All these things can be used, and you need to use simple past tense only. Other tenses, if you have knowledge and if you want to include sentences or formations from other tenses, it is up to you guys. It is a free will. The other activities, many other activities, but however your preference was the exam, or whatever you had the preference. So these are the points, guys, and try to make note of these points and try to make sentences on your own. Don't take help of others, and I hope this lecture will guide you to prepare a good passage on about your last exam, and you would be able to communicate effectively using these kinds of, or writing and speaking these kinds of topics. So I hope it will be really very effective in your journey of learning English grammar and good English speaking skills. Thank you very much, guys, today for joining us today, and I would like to request you to subscribe our channel. Thank you for joining us today.